Today we are going to play with our monster truck supercharged speedway set. Yay! Alright, so we're going to find some monster trucks that we want to take on this track and see how it works. The boys got this for Christmas. Yay! Alright, get some monster trucks.
Wait a minute. Missing that booster.
Okay, go find the booster one. Noxie, find some monster trucks you want.
Okay.
Look at all these monster trucks. How are you going to pick which one you want?
Mini mine.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?
Which one you got? Who's that? Son of a digger. We got more monster truck, guys. Never-ending monster trucks.
Oh, how about this one?
Ooh, Megalodon.
Yeah, Megalodon.
Okay.
This is my ducky one.
That's your ducky.
It's
a color shifter. We got that for Christmas.
Ducky.
Oh, a poopy ducky.
What level is
Yeah, Nash stuck the duck in the toilet to try to change the color of it. So we call it the poopy ducky now. Whoa. Whoa, did you see him cross? Oh. Okay, we've got 5. Start it up. 1, hurry. 2. Whoa, whoa. Oh, that was cool. Oh! Wow, Megalodon's fast. Look at him go. Okay, add another one. Oh! Oh, he's trying to sneak in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start it up. You want one more? 6. Nope. Okay, he's getting stuck. Here, let's back him up. All right, I think we're good now. Ready? Let's try these. Go, 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 go. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Oh, what was that, Nash? All right, Nash is going to hit the ramp for Sparkle Smash. Ready? Here we go. Oh, missed. Try this one. Woo! Winner! Do another one. Monster Mutt.
No, Scooby-Doo.
Oh, Scooby-Doo. Another. We have 2 Scooby-Doos. Oh, come on. We're trying to get it to land. Oh! Zombie. Zombie for the win. Okay, try to ramp it. Woo! He wants to flip them.
Landed it on my hand.
He landed it.
Look, on my hand.
Oh! Look at that.
Oh, honestly, really. Ow! It's this. What hand did this?
He did that.
These monster trucks do this at Rotterdam.
That's how they do it at Monster Jam?
Yep.
Whoa.
I almost got up there.
Whee!
This is freestyle.
Okay, he's doing a freestyle. Whoa! Nice, that was a good one. Whoa, 2 in a row?
Look at my dad.
You like that?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
Because it's purple.
Purple's your favorite color?
Obviously.
Oh, we got this for Christmas. Look at it. A giant sparkle smash. Ready? Oh no, they all fell. 10 at a time. All right, we're going. Oh! Oh, keep going. Are the batteries dying? Our batteries died.
My battery died.
No.
Oh.
Womp, womp, womp.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye. Don't get started. Bye.